Good morning, everyone. I am delighted to welcome you all today. We are here to explore a very important topic. Our presentation is titled Transformative Potential for Gender Equality and Empowerment. We will be discussing how AI and computing technologies can play a vital role in women's development. Today, we'll cover the impact of these technologies, their potential to promote gender equality, and how they can empower women in various spheres of life. I look forward to sharing insights and engaging discussions with you all. Let's get started. Today, I want to highlight how supporting skill development and mentorship plays a crucial role in empowering growth for women. By fostering these areas, we can help women build confidence and gain the tools they need to succeed. Next, we see that technology, especially AI, has the power to close opportunity gaps. It can create more equitable access to resources and opportunities that might have previously been out of reach. Furthermore, AI provides tailored resources that meet individual needs, making learning and development more effective and personalized. This accelerates equality by ensuring everyone has the support they need to thrive. Overall, the rapid advancement of AI and computing technologies offers us an unprecedented chance to transform women's empowerment on a global scale. Our focus is on how these innovations can directly contribute to gender equality, improve educational pathways, increase economic participation, and foster leadership roles for women. In essence, unlocking this potential through AI is about creating a future where women have the same opportunities to grow, lead, and succeed as anyone else. Connecting women with experts globally is a powerful way to break down barriers and open up new opportunities. Virtual mentorship makes it possible for women and girls to find guidance and support regardless of where they are in the world. It's about creating a bridge that connects talent with expertise, no matter the distance. When we talk about skill development accessible anytime and anywhere, we're emphasizing the flexibility that technology provides. Whether someone is in a rural area or a bustling city, they can access high-quality learning resources whenever it suits them. Flexible programs are a game changer because they adapt to individual needs. AI-driven platforms, for example, can personalize the learning journey, making sure each person gets the support and content that best fits their goals and learning style. This brings us to tailored learning, a key innovation in education. AI is truly revolutionizing how women and girls access education. It offers personalized pathways that help them develop critical skills efficiently. By bridging geographical divides, technology not only provides access, but also creates new avenues for growth, empowerment, and knowledge. Overall, this approach is about making education more inclusive, personalized, and responsive, helping women and girls everywhere unlock their full potential. Now, let's look at how digital technologies are transforming women's economic empowerment. First, global market access. Online platforms enable women to reach customers far beyond their local communities, opening up new opportunities for sales and growth. This means they're not limited by geography anymore. Next, digital financial services play a crucial role. Improved access to banking, loans, and investment tools helps women manage their finances more effectively, invest in their businesses, and build financial resilience. Then we have entrepreneurial hubs. Technology lowers many barriers that used to make starting and scaling a business challenging. Whether it's marketing, supply chain management, or customer engagement, digital tools make entrepreneurship more accessible. All these factors contribute to economic independence. They foster self-reliance and wealth creation, empowering women to take control of their economic futures. In summary, computing technologies are powerful tools for fostering women-led entrepreneurship and economic independence. They enable online businesses, facilitate access to vital financial services, and open doors to global markets, ultimately driving growth and self-sufficiency. Without intervention, benefits from digital advancements can be quite unequal across different groups. One major challenge is the exclusion risk. Technology often remains out of reach for underserved communities, which means they miss out on potential opportunities. Then there are access barriers. Even when technology is available, inherited biases can perpetuate inequalities, making it harder for marginalized groups to benefit equally. Algorithmic bias is another critical issue. Since many algorithms are trained on biased data, they can reinforce existing disparities rather than reduce them. Additionally, a lack of digital skills or digital literacy gaps can exclude many women and others who haven't had the chance to develop these skills. Despite all this potential that digital tools offer, these hurdles are significant. Addressing these issues, by closing digital literacy gaps, mitigating algorithmic biases, and expanding access, is essential if we want to ensure that everyone can benefit equally. This is at the heart of navigating the digital divide, recognizing these key challenges and working actively to overcome them, so that technology becomes a tool for true inclusion and empowerment for all women. When we talk about responsible development and deployment, it's really about ensuring that the technologies we create are ethical and beneficial for everyone. Ethical integration means designing and implementing these tools in ways that promote fairness and respect for all users. Training and education programs for women are crucial. They empower women with the skills needed to participate fully in our digital economy and help close existing gaps. Building capacity is about investing in skills and resources so that everyone can contribute to and benefit from new technologies. Designing technologies with gender equity in mind is essential. This means considering diverse needs and perspectives from the start, ensuring that AI and digital innovations serve everyone equally. Inclusive AI plays a big role here. It's about developing systems that are fair, unbiased, and accessible to all demographics. To support this, government support for digital inclusion is vital. Policies and initiatives that help bridge the digital divide and bring more people into the fold. Finally, policy interventions are key. Overcoming the challenges we face requires a coordinated effort, targeted policies, advocating for inclusive AI design, and investing in capacity-building initiatives. These steps will help us pave the way toward a more equitable digital future, where everyone benefits from technological progress. Let's take a closer look at some of the innovative ways AI and digital tools are transforming different sectors. First, in agriculture, we see smart farming tools that are really boosting productivity. These technologies help farmers optimize their resources, increase yields, and make farming more sustainable. Moving on to civic engagement, there are platforms that facilitate advocacy and political participation, empowering communities to voice their concerns and influence decision-making processes. In healthcare, AI diagnostics and remote consultations are making a huge difference. They improve access to medical expertise, especially in underserved areas, and help women get the care they need more quickly and efficiently. What's truly inspiring is that these innovations aren't just about technology for its own sake. They serve as powerful catalysts for achieving the Sustainable Development Goals and promoting gender parity worldwide. Finally, when we look at these applications collectively, we see a common thread: driving impact through innovative solutions that are making tangible differences in women's lives and broader communities. Now, let's look at how AI is creating new entrepreneurial avenues that can really transform economies and communities. These innovative paths open up fresh opportunities for business and employment. Moving on, we see that SDG 8 focuses on promoting decent work and economic growth, emphasizing the importance of empowering economic participation for everyone. This means enabling more people to access meaningful jobs and build sustainable livelihoods. At the same time, SDG 5, which centers on gender equality, highlights the need to break down barriers for women and ensure they have equal opportunities. Personalized learning platforms are a great example of how AI can support this goal by tailoring education to individual needs, making learning more effective and accessible for women and girls. All these efforts are interconnected. AI tools aren't just theoretical innovations, they're actively supporting women's development across various sectors. This directly contributes to achieving multiple SDGs, from quality education to gender equality and decent work. Ultimately, AI's role in advancing these global goals is significant. It's helping us create a more inclusive, equitable, and sustainable future, one where everyone can thrive. This slide shows the journey we're on, moving from simply addressing current inequalities to actually unlocking the full, transformative potential of technology for women's development. It's about going beyond just closing gaps and really leveraging innovation to create meaningful change. At the core, we're aiming for gender parity and women's empowerment, which are essential for a fair and inclusive future. When we talk about impact, we mean the real, tangible benefits that inclusive design and supportive policies can bring, making sure technology works for everyone and that women are active participants in shaping it. Of course, there are challenges along the way. The digital divide and systemic biases are significant barriers that need to be addressed thoughtfully. These issues can reinforce existing inequalities if we're not careful. The solutions lie in harnessing AI and computing technologies responsibly and ethically. If we do this well, we can accelerate progress toward gender parity. And ultimately, our vision is a future where equitable technological growth benefits all women everywhere, creating a world that's more just innovative and inclusive. The future of technology must be one where every woman has the opportunity to lead, innovate, and thrive. AI and computing technologies hold immense potential to accelerate women's empowerment, but their impact really depends on how responsibly and ethically we implement these tools. True inclusion means developing gender-sensitive technology, making sure that these powerful innovations serve to uplift women rather than marginalize them. In conclusion, I want to emphasize that AI can be a real catalyst for empowerment when we focus on responsible development and inclusive practices. It's about creating a future where technology opens doors for everyone, especially women, to contribute and succeed.